In today's SQL interview question, we have been asked to display top 3 salaried employees in the company. We want to display the top 3 salaried employees in the company, and we have been asked to show the first name, the last name, the email, salary, and department. Okay. In our previous video, we had a similar SQL interview question, but in this case, we are asked to show the top 3 salaried employees in each department. And because of that, when we used dense rank, we used partition by department because we want to see the top 3 salaried employees in each department. Therefore, we partition by department. Okay. If you don't know what dense rank is, in this video, I've explained what row number, rank, and dense rank are. Okay. These are analytical functions, and I have explained them. So if you don't really know what they are, I highly encourage you to watch this video, okay? And I'll put a link to this video in the description below, okay? Very good. Now, in this question, we have been asked to display the top 3 salaried employees in the company. So first of all, let us run this query, this select star statement, to see how the table looks like, okay? We have our employee ID, F name, L name, email, salary, department, manager ID. Now we have been asked to show F name, which is the first name, okay? And we have been asked to show L name, which is the last name. We want to show email, okay? We want to show salary, and we want to show department, okay? Let us run this first. Let's make sure that we don't have any error if I execute. Now, very good, we are able to get this, okay? Now, in this case, we are asked to display the top 3 salaried employees. Because we want to display the top 3 salaried employees, we need to use an analytical function, and that is where we use dense rank. So I'll put a comma here, and I will say dense rank. Remember, in my previous video, I showed you what row number, dense rank, and rank is, okay? And I highly encourage you to go watch that video. I'll put the link to that in the description, okay? Now, very good. Now you have dense rank, and then you have an open and close bracket, and then you have over. Okay, so when you have over, then you need to have partition, right? But take note, in this question, we do not need to do any partition because this question just asked us to display the top 3 salaried employees in the company. So in this case, we don't need to partition by anything, unlike the previous question, the previous video rather, where we partition by the department, okay? But in this case, you don't need to put any partition. So all you have to do is just to order. Okay, so you say order by salary because we are looking for the top 3 salaried employees. So we'll order by salary, and since we want to look at the top 3, so that means arrange this table or these employees, arrange them in decreasing order of the salary. That means from the highest to the lowest, okay? So, and I'll put descending right here, okay? Now let me give this an alias. I'll give it d_rank. I'm going to give it an alias, okay? Now take note of this right here. Let us see what we are going to get. If we run this, you can see, very good guys, you can see now we have another column which is D rank, that's the dense rank. You can see right here that we did not partition by department, right? Right here, we only ordered by the salary, okay? Because of that, 23,000 is the first one. You can see we have two 18,000s, therefore we have two number 2s, right? That's the second on the list. We have 15,000, that is the third on the list, and then we have 12,000, which is the fourth one, and then we have 11,000, three 11,000s. Therefore, because of that, we have five positions, right? We have the 5th position, the 5th rank. There are 3 of them because they are tied, right? And then we have 9,000, 8,000, and 7,000. Okay, very good. Now that we have created this dense rank, what we need to do now is to wrap this in a CTE. Okay, so we will say with CTE as, open a bracket and then close your bracket. Okay, because this query that we have here, when you run it, is going to be stored in this CTE. Okay, now we need to query that CTE. Okay, so I will say select star from CTE. Take note, you can give this CTE any name. If you like, you can give it whatever name you like. If I like, I can say CTE underscore 1, or I can give it any other name. I can say my table. Okay, just know that if you, whatever name you put right here is what you also put right here. Okay, so that means that any query I run right here, the result is going to be saved inside this my underscore table, and then now I can query it. You will realize that if I query this right now, you will see that I'm going to get the same result that I have right here. Okay, now let us execute. You can see that we have the same thing. Okay, however, the question says we should display the top 3 salaried employees in the company. So what we then need to do is to put a where clause right here, and then we can say where this d underscore rank is less than or equal to 3, because take note, we are trying to show or display the top 3 salaried employees, and we know that according to this table it should be these ones right here. Okay, so it should be these ones right there, the top 3. Okay, so that's why you have to put your where clause where d underscore rank is less than or equal to 3. If we run this, let's see what we get. Execute. Oh, it says we have some error right there. Let us see where is the error coming from. Where d rank less than 3. I think we just need to rerun it. Let's rerun it. Okay, very good. Yeah, there is no error. I think that's just some PG admin thing. Okay, now you can see that now that we have rerun it, we have been able to display the F name, last name, email, salary, department of the first 3 the top 3 salaried employees. You can see 1, 2, and 3, 23,000, 18,000, and 15,000. I hope you get that right now. If you don't want to show this last column, this D rank column, if you don't want to show it, then that means you can just specify the columns that you want to show right here. So basically, I can decide I want to only show these columns right here. I can decide I want to only show this column, F name, okay, L name, L email, salary, department. Okay, so if I rerun this right now, execute, you can see right here, guys, that now we have been able to display also the first 3 employees. I did not show that d underscore rank column. Okay, I hope you understand this right now, and now you know how to use dense rank to display the top 3 salaried employees in the company. Take note again right here, we did not use partition by, because the question did not ask us to display the top 3 salaried employees within a particular section in the company. Do you understand that right now? All right, guys, if you find this video valuable and you want us to also create more of this type of video, I highly encourage you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos, and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we release any of our videos. Thank you, guys. See you in the next class. Bye.